Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I will be showing you all 4 recipes using cauliflower. Our first recipe is Lasuni Gobi Dry. For that we require cauliflower florets, medium sized, 1 cup, sliced onion half cup, maida 1 cup, salt, black pepper powder, tomato sauce or ketchup, oil, garlic, crushed garlic, spring onion greens finely chopped and water. So first in a mixing bowl I will take maida or refined flour, 1 cup of refined flour or maida. To it I will add water. We want a thick but runny batter, so add water accordingly and whisk it nicely. Make sure there are no lumps. Perfect. To this I will add salt as per taste. Add black pepper powder about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon and mix it well again. To this I will add the cauliflower florets, medium sized cauliflower florets, and coat them properly into the maida batter. We are going to deep fry them in hot oil on high flame till they become nice golden brown in color from the outside and the maida batter cooks well. Once they are nice golden brown, this means that the cauliflower is also cooked from the inside, so remove them. They are ready. I'll fry the next batch now. And remove them once they are nice golden brown in color. This is how they look. Perfectly done cauliflower florets. In another pan I will take oil. Heat it nicely on high flame. 1.5 teaspoon oil. To it I will add crushed garlic or minced garlic. 2.5 teaspoon. Cook it well on high flame for about 2 minutes or until the rawness is gone. Then add the sliced onion, 1 medium sized sliced onion, and mix it well. Let the onions become translucent on high flame. Perfect. To this I will add black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Add salt as per taste and mix it well. Add tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Half cup of tomato sauce and mix it well. Let it combine nicely and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add water to adjust the consistency. So about 1/4 to half cup of water. Combine everything well. And then add the cauliflower florets to it. Deep fried cauliflower florets. And combine everything well. Let the cauliflower florets get coated into the sauce. Add the spring onion greens finely chopped and mix everything well. And this is how our Lasuni Gobi dry is ready. Deliciously tempting recipe. Cauliflower curry is our next recipe. For that we require cauliflower florets, tomato, ground cumin and coriander, red chili powder, salt, oil, water, mustard seeds, turmeric, asafoetida and coriander leaves. First in a pan I will take oil, 2.5 teaspoon. To it I will add 1 to 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once this splatter, to this I will add asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon. Add turmeric, 1 teaspoon. And then add tomato. 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Cauliflower florets, 1.5 cup. Medium to small sized cauliflower florets. Mix it well and then add salt as per taste. And mix it nicely on high flame. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. After 7 minutes, I am going to open the lid. And again mix it well. And cover it and let it cook for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Once the cauliflower is cooked, after 7 minutes, I'll mix it well and then add the spices. First I will add red chili powder, 2 teaspoon, ground cumin and coriander, 2 teaspoon, and mix everything well. Let the spices cook for about 2 minutes and then add water to this. We'll require about 2 cups of water and cover it and let the water come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, open the lid. Mix it well. And it's ready. We are going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. And this is how our cauliflower curry is ready. Cheesy cauliflower casserole is our third recipe. For that we require medium-sized cauliflower florets, breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, cheese spread or cream cheese, salt, black pepper powder, butter and water. So first in a bowl I will take cauliflower florets. We are going to cook them by adding water. Microwave this for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the cauliflower is cooked, or you may boil them on high flame until they are done. So for about 7 to 10 minutes. In another mixing bowl, we are going to take butter, 2 tablespoons. To it I will add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese and mix it well nicely. Let it become nice and creamy and soft. To this I will add salt as per taste. Butter contains salt, so add it accordingly. black pepper powder, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon or as per taste, and mix everything well. Perfect. Our cauliflower florets are ready, cooked perfectly after 8 minutes. So now we are going to transfer these cauliflower florets without the water in our cream cheese and butter mixture. You may drain the water and add the cauliflower florets and combine everything well. Let the cauliflower florets get coated nicely. They are right now cooked perfectly. So now what I'm going to do is, in a baking dish, I'm going to transfer these cauliflower florets that we have coated in the cheese and butter mixture. Spread them nicely into the casserole and then top it with some breadcrumbs. Then add the grated mozzarella cheese on top and again some more breadcrumbs for the crispy coating and some black pepper powder. This is optional. We are going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese has melted properly and we get the nice crispy coating on the outside. Nice golden brown color. So for 15 minutes in the convection oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And after 15 minutes this is ready. Perfectly melted cheese and nice golden brown crispy coating on the outside. So this is how our cheesy cauliflower casserole is ready. Our fourth recipe is tandoori gobi without the tandoor. We are going to make this on a tawa. Let's begin. For that we require parboiled cauliflower florets, medium sized. I've cooked them for about 4 to 5 minutes, boiled them for 4 to 5 minutes. So parboiled cauliflower florets 1 cup, hung curd, ground cumin and coriander, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, dried ginger powder, lemon juice, tandoori masala, crushed garlic, turmeric, garam masala, salt and oil. So first we'll make the marinade by taking hung curd in a mixing bowl. Half cup of hung curd. To this I will add salt as per taste. Add dried ginger powder 1 teaspoon, tandoori masala 2 to 2.5 teaspoon, garam masala 2 teaspoon, ground cumin and coriander 2 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 2.5 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, crushed garlic 1 to 1.5 teaspoon and lemon juice 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add oil to this 1 teaspoon and mix everything well. Combine everything well, very important. Once it's combined well, we are going to add our cauliflower florets to it. Parboiled cauliflower florets cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Coat them nicely and let them marinate for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. After 4 hours, they are ready. Perfectly flavored cauliflower florets, marinated well. In a skewer, I am going to arrange these cauliflower florets. Arrange them properly so that they cook well from all the sides. Perfect. They are ready. Now I'll heat a tawa Add oil to it, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, and then put the skewers onto it. Arrange them properly. Make sure the cauliflower florets cook from all the sides. So turn them, flip them. Cook on low flame. It will require about 10 to 15 minutes from all the sides. And once they are nice golden brown in color and cooked from the inside, they are ready. It's very easy to make. So keep turning them so that they cook evenly. And after 12 minutes they are ready. We'll switch off the flame. So this is how our tandoori gobi without the oven or the tandoor is ready. Served with green chutney and salad. So this is how our 4 recipes using cauliflower are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.